If you're considering HESK for your help desk needs, you're likely wondering if it's the right choice for your business. There are plenty of options out there, and while HESK offers some great features, there are things you should know before you make your decision. Let's dive into the 12 key aspects of HESK to help you make an informed choice. First thing, HESK is a simple and affordable solution for businesses looking to manage customer support tickets. Compared to other help desk tools like Zendesk or Freshdesk, HESK focuses on keeping things straightforward with an easy to use interface and budget friendly pricing. Next thing, HESK is self hosted, meaning you have full control over your data. This is a huge advantage if you need to keep sensitive customer information secure, or if you want to customize your help desk experience to match your brand. However, this also means you'll be responsible for setup and maintenance, which can be time consuming if you don't have the technical know how. The third thing to consider is HESK's ticket management system. It offers a clean ticket creation process, but when compared to some competitors, like Freshdesk, it lacks some advanced features, like automation and AI-driven responses. If you're looking for a more robust system with intelligent ticket routing, you might want to explore other options. Next, HESK does offer a knowledge base feature, which allows you to build an FAQ section to help customers resolve issues on their own. However, the customization options here are limited, and it's not as flexible as the knowledge base tools provided by bigger players like Zendesk. The fifth thing is HESK's reporting capabilities. While it does provide basic reports on ticket status and response times, it doesn't match the advanced analytics and insights that services like Zoho Desk or Freshdesk offer. If you need deep reporting to help with performance optimization, you might need to look elsewhere. The sixth thing to note is HESK's user interface. While clean, it's not as modern or intuitive as some of the other platforms, which can make it a bit harder for new users to navigate. Freshdesk and Zendesk excel in providing more user-friendly designs and workflows that cater to teams of all sizes. Moving on to the seventh thing, HESK's customer support is decent, but it's not as extensive as the round-the-clock support you get with larger help desk providers. There's no live chat support, and you'll need to rely on email or community forums for troubleshooting. The eighth thing to know is HESK's integrations. While it supports essential integrations like email and basic CRM tools, it falls short in offering a wide range of third-party integrations compared to competitors like Zendesk, which has an extensive app marketplace. Next, the ninth thing is the scalability of HESK. It works well for small businesses, but if you plan to grow quickly, you might find that its limited features and lack of scalability start to hold you back. Tools like Freshdesk or Zoho Desk are more suited for larger teams and offer features that scale with your business. The 10th thing is pricing. HESK is free for basic use, and its premium version is affordable, making it one of the most budget-friendly options. But remember, the free version lacks many key features that come with paid plans from competitors. So, if you're a growing business, you might find the need to upgrade sooner than expected. The 11th thing is HESK's customization options. While you can tweak some aspects of the help desk, it doesn't offer the deep level of customization that platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk provide. If you need a highly tailored experience, HESK might not be the best fit. Finally, the 12th thing is HESK's mobile app. It's available, but it's not as robust or user-friendly as mobile apps from other help desk software. If mobile support is a key factor for your team, you may find the app lacking compared to other solutions that offer a better mobile experience. In conclusion, HESK is a solid help desk solution if you're looking for an affordable and simple system that's easy to set up and self-hosted. However, if you need more advanced features, integrations, or scalability, there are better options out there. Check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free if you're looking for a more powerful, scalable help desk tool that offers more features right out of the box.